Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I'm Samyuktha Vinod. So to start off with, first of all, a very warm, happy and prosperous new year 2020. So now this is my first video of this year and I wanted to make it a different one than what I usually did before. So it's a travel vlog with the information about the place. So let's start with a small intro. It was a Sunday and we planned for an outing unlike our usual weekend, which is mostly going to a movie or a restaurant. So we have always had a love towards Meekulathi Amman temple and decided to go there. So to start off, we started off early around 7 to 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So it was a family trip with parents and kids. So we got a lunch packed at our home, as it is a healthy, economical, and fun-filled too. So I would like to give few info on the location, how to get there from Coimbatore, temple timings, etc., and a bit of history. So watch till the end. Subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon, especially the all button, to get notified whenever I upload new video. Check out my other social handles like Insta and Facebook. Links to it is given in the description bar below. So alright, to start off with, let's see a bit of history of this place. The history of this temple is quite an interesting one, so stay connected till the end. So let's start. The first one is Meekulathi Kavu Amman. So it is already also called as Meekulathi Kavu. It is the oldest temple in Palasena, which is located in the Kerala state. Tradition has it that centuries ago, three families belonging to Veerasaiva Mannadiyar clan worshipped the goddess Meenakshi as their deity. An acute drought in Chidambaram drove them to see in some green pastures. So one of them, what happened is, took a stone from there along with their other possessions. So worshipping their stone as their friend, philosopher and guide, they trekked to several places before reaching this Palasena place. So enchanted by the forests surrounding the villages, they settled there and prospered in the diamond trade. So whenever they went on a business, they offered their customary prayers to their family deity. So an aged member of their clan went on for his customary bath before leaving a trip home. So he left his valuables and a palm leaf and umbrella in the care of two youths. So what happened is, when he came back, he was shocked. He could not lift the things he had left with the youths. So that was quite an shocking one, right? So he just consulted an astrologer, and the astrologer said that the Meenakshi had manifested herself under the umbrella, and that was why it could not be moved. So huge crowds, after knowing this, huge crowds came there to witness the miracle. So the place came to known as Kudamannu. So it's not confirmed yet. So they say it is Kudamannu. The present Meenakshi temple, it is another form of Meenakshi temple. Actually, it is just adjacent to the temple, were constructed over the next 4 centuries, which it took place. The incident took place. The structure is built in the Kerala style. So as usual, it is constructed in such a way that the shadow of the wall never falls in the ground. So it is said that. And there are 2 entrances to the temple. One is in the north and the other one in the west. And the temple tank is just next to the western entrance, as you are seeing it right now. So this is the view of the entrance. This is basically the view of the tank, which is located. And I have taken few pictures from the internet, as they do not allow to take pictures inside the temple. And to reach there, so I'm going to give you information from Coimbatore. So it takes around 1 hour 45 minutes to 2.5 hours to reach this temple by car. If you do not own a car, you can very well take a cab. I could see red taxi cabs there, when we were in the temple. So you can take a cab and you can just reach there in 2.5 hours. And most importantly is the timings. Like it depends on the timings depends on the days which you visit in. So especially Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays have different timing. That is, I think it's from 5:30 to 12:30 in the morning, and from evening 5 to 7:30, and it depends on the other days. I'm just going to attach a picture with this, and it is very easy, and they have got a ample parking space in front of their temple. And if not, there's one more parking lot. Just if you have to go till like you have to cross the temple, and you can see a free parking space, so you do not pay any amount for that. And it was a very good experience there. We took a lunch with us, so we had our lunch in the parking lot itself, and it was very good plan. So instead of going and spending amounts to movies or something like that, you can take up a car. It just took us just 1,000 rupees for four of us with two kids, like four adults and two kids, to reach there and to enjoy a day, like, and come back. So you can spend like this. So this is one information or something I can give you on. And it is a very beautiful place wherein, but you have to make sure that men go in the veshti dhoti, and they are allowed only with the dhotis, no pants and everything is allowed. For women, like, you can go in all the traditional Indian traditional dress, you can very well go. As you can see, like, kids are enjoying a lot, and it was a very fun filled day. Hope it's quite helpful for you, and you can visit the temple, and it's a very good place to hang out with.